Unlock the secrets to AI wealth creation. Forget Lamborghinis and caviar. The real currency of the future is ingenuity. And the hottest stock market isn't on Wall Street. It's the one brewing in your own living room, fueled by the potent elixir of artificial intelligence. Yes, AI wealth creation isn't some Silicon Valley pipe dream anymore. It's a tangible reality for anyone with a spark of creativity and a hunger to change the game. But before you envision yourself as the next Elon Musk, let's dissect this digital gold rush. We're about to peel back the layers of AI wealth creation, separating the alchemists from the imposters, and showing you how to strike it rich in the age of machines. Imagine AI as your ultimate business partner, on steroids. A data-guzzling alchemist, a lightning-fast trend predictor, a creativity catalyst that would make Picasso jealous. It can optimize your Etsy shop to stratospheric heights, predict the next viral TikTok dance with eerie accuracy, even personalize dog treats that Fido would howl with glee for. But it's not just about lining your pockets. AI can reshape entire industries, like a benevolent tech genie granting wishes. Imagine AI surgeons performing flawless operations remotely, or self-driving cars weaving through cityscapes like synchronized dancers. The possibilities are as limitless as human imagination itself. So, how do you jumpstart your AI-powered gold rush? It's not about having a PhD in algorithms. It's about identifying a problem, a need, a gaping hole in the market, and then plugging it with AI in a way that's as innovative as it is impactful. Here's your cheat code to AI wealth creation. Find your niche. Don't try to be a Walmart knockoff. Zero in on a specific area where AI can bring a unique and valuable solution. Think niche sports equipment, hyper-personalized language courses, or AI-powered composting robots. The world is your oyster. Assemble your Avengers. You don't need to be Iron Man yourself. Build a dream team of AI wizards, data sorcerers, and coding ninjas who can translate your vision into tangible reality. Think diverse skill sets, complementary personalities, and a shared passion for changing the world. Data is your kryptonite. AI thrives on information, not spinach. Gather, analyze, and interpret mountains of data to fuel your AI models and ensure they're as sharp as Tony Stark's wit. Think market research, user surveys, even scraping data from obscure online forums. Creativity is key. Lifelong learning is your shield. The AI landscape shifts faster than Quicksilver on coffee. Stay ahead of the curve by upskilling yourself and your team, attending conferences, and reading enough tech blogs to give Bruce Banner a run for his money. Think beyond the Infinity Stones. Don't just chase profits like Thanos chasing those gems. Build something that makes a difference, that solves a problem, that leaves a positive footprint on the world. Remember, true wealth comes in many forms, like sustainable farming practices or accessible education platforms. Beyond the hype. Let's face it, AI buzzwords can be as thick as Thanos' snap dust. Before you get tangled in the hype machine, we'll dispel common myths and misconceptions, setting the record straight on what AI can and can't do for your wallet. From one-man show to global impact, scaling your AI venture. Your brilliant AI idea might start in your garage, but the real magic happens when you scale it to reach the masses. We'll explore funding options, team expansion strategies, and global market considerations, transforming your brainchild into a world-changing phenomenon. The ethical compass. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. We'll delve into the ethical considerations of AI use, ensuring your wealth creation journey is paved with good intentions and positive impact, leaving a legacy you can be proud of. These additional headings add depth and dimension to your script, further captivating the audience and offering valuable insights beyond the core message. Remember, knowledge is power, and these headings empower your listeners to navigate the exciting and complex world of AI wealth creation with confidence. Now remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your AI empire. Be patient, be persistent, and be ready to pivot like Captain America dodging bullets. Don't be afraid to fail. Every misstep is a lesson learned, a stepping stone on your path to becoming an AI overlord. As you scale your AI venture, remember to share the spoils. Invest in your team, mentor aspiring entrepreneurs, and contribute to open-source AI projects. Because true prosperity, like Thor's hammer, thrives on collaboration, not competition. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of AI wealth creation? The future is yours for the making. Grab your digital pickaxe, embrace the power of AI, and start building your empire today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and inspiration on your journey to AI-powered prosperity. Remember, the future belongs to those who dare to dream, to innovate, and to build a better world with the power of artificial intelligence.